For me, it was really important that everything I do is integral to who I am and where I've come from. I was raised in New York. My family are from Hong Kong. Ever since I was young, there was this culture clash. When I came to London, I finally figured out a way to visually mesh the two worlds. My technique started from making one jumper, and it turned into making a whole collection. And then it just didn't stop. So I thought maybe I should actually register my company now. It all became very real. Setting up the Squarespace website really changed my life. We built the online store and we just keep growing. Jump into it blind, completely fearless. Don't worry about anything. You don't have to fit into a category. That you can just invent your own category.